How to set sending windows in Instantly.ai. Setting sending windows in Instantly.ai helps your campaigns looks more natural and ensures your emails land at the right time when prospects are more likely to check their inbox. To do this, head over to your campaign settings and find the sending schedule section. Here, you can define the exact days and hours you want your emails to go out, like weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., while avoiding off hours or weekends. Instantly will spread your emails evenly throughout the time frame rather than blasting them all at once, which help protect deliverability and makes your outreach feel more human. You can also adjust time zones if you're targeting prospect in different regions, ensuring your emails arrive during their working hours, not the middle of the night. By setting smart sending windows, you'll increase open rates, improve reply chances, and keep your campaigns running smoothly without overwhelming prospect or rising spam filters. So that's it.